Well, I want to show you why you should know what you're doing. I'm glad a little kid wasn't standing next to this, because all I did was touch it and it fell out in one piece. So, let me see if I can find my... See if this is any better. This is a little more solid. Okay. Maybe not. Yeah, it had no metal mesh. It literally just fell away from the wall. Well, luckily, this is actually sticking a little bit better. I wish I'd had that on video. That was phenomenal and quite a bit terrifying. If a child had been playing up here at any time, you can tell where it isn't even, where it never even was attached. So, if anybody is thinking of doing this, try checking YouTube. There are guys that can do this absolutely amazing. But this is not how you do it. I mean, at least he put HardieBacker. That's a plus. Oh.